foodie with nature? Hi, it's me Jen and welcome to my quest. Hi guys! Ganahan pa mong cafe guys nga nang murag na siya woods vibe. Ali guys, atong bisitahon ang Kahoy Cafe by the Greenland Cabins. The cafe is located 5 minutes away from SM Consolacion, which makes it very accessible ra jud kayo sa public guys. Let's go! Wala na ilang entrance guys. Beside na siya parking space for motorcycle and sa mga sakyanan. Di ra jud mabala ka guys kay dako ra ka siya space for parking. So there are wooden tables and seats in Kahoy Cafe, guys. They even have seats that look like bean bags. You can choose between sitting outside or inside, depending on your preferences. Additionally, there is a floor above that offers a view of the entire space. Both the inside and outside of the cafe exude a homey bohemian island cafe ambience. The cafe radiates the perfect atmosphere of a cafe in the woods because of its surrounding extensive greenery. Because of its outdoor setting, the lighting is amazing. And everything is picture perfect. Huy, ka-English ba? Ayaw mo guys, kaya ako nang practice akong English skills. Basin din ay makadiscover na to, diba? Beke naman! They offer all-day breakfast. And aside from that, they serve rice bowls with Hungarian sausage, chicken strips, pork sisig, and humba. They also serve snacks like hamburgers, tuna sandwiches, and chicken nuggets. So they have also beverages guys, so including smoothies and coffee. But if you're not a big coffee drinker like me, you can sample their cookies and cream smoothie and strawberry smoothie. So far, so good naman ng ilang food guys. Pero para dako, medyo pricey siya. Kaya kanila gidaan na og mga tag-G's lang sa karinderya, di ba? Huy, na pa tag-G's dayron? Kung maabot ng mga tag 100 to 200 plus ka presyo. Murag para na ako, mahal na dyan na siya. Pero para na ako, wala ko lang yung mahal siya na dyan. Igat na sad gaday. So, mauto atong balikan be. Para na ako, guys, nice na dyan siya nga place. Maka-appreciate man dyan kong lugar nga. Kanabit ang naghagkahoy, naghaghayo, puro green imong makita. Feel na ako akong future na dyan sa klasakan mo po yun. Nga, akong maminyo si Tarzan. You may enjoy with your friends and family here. Get a breath of fresh air and move closer to the trees. Hala, uy, ka-char na jud, uy. Na English speaking naman jud ko ani, uy. I'm so proud of myself. Char! Pero guys, sakto to akong English, guys. Mas nice if you will bring your families, your friends, your boyfriend or girlfriend, kung naaman. Swerte na jud ka, guys, kung naaman jud. It's a perfect place to chill, a perfect place to chika, a perfect place para manlibak ka. Uy, ayusad, uy, bad na. So if naamo yung mga trabahoon, guys, nga ganahan mo og medyo relaxing nga place, dire gyud ako ma-recommend ninyo guys. Pero depende na gyud sa atong preferences no. Sa ganahan nato nga ambience. Kay for me more on outdoors bang ko, so ganahan ko diri nga place. Naabot na jud among order guys. We have sausage rice bowl. Uy, kadako sa sausage. Ama kadako sa iyaha. Sa iyaha pagigugma nako uba. Dirty minded sa kakastanan ay niya with lumpia Shanghai and rice. Naabot ay strawberry smoothie and mango smoothie. Till next time guys. Thank you for watching.